Today we'll be making um, egg rolls, Nigerian egg roll. This egg roll is very delicious, and I would want you guys to watch how I made this delicious egg roll. To make this egg roll, you will need flour. So I'll add sugar. The recipe will be under the comment section. And I added the baking powder, salt, and butter. So now, the butter, you have to use a butter that is room temperature butter, or you can choose to use the cold one, but I left it overnight. This is salt, so I added a little bit, a teaspoon of salt. As I said, the recipe will be under the video, and you want to use your hand to break the butter, and then make it into flakes before you would add water. Make sure you incorporate everything together and continue to massage it like you want to form a dough. So I added a little bit of water. You don't want to add much water, just a little bit. You want to do it to your own preference. Some people would want their own very hard, or some would want their own very light. So you keep massaging it like until you form a dough. At this stage, you want to bring it out. You can form the dough inside your bowl, but I prefer bringing it out of the bowl to form a dough, a stretchy dough. You want to do this in at least up to 5 minutes or so, even more than, just to make it smooth. You want to add a little bit flour on top just to make it extra smooth as well. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit the notification button as well. Now I boiled egg, and then the egg, after boiling it, I boiled it with water, added some salt in it, and after then I poured some cold water to make the egg, so that I can be able to remove the back, the shell. So now I am removing the egg from the shell, and then after then I'll add a little bit of flour to this, so that I prefer adding it. This is optional. I prefer adding it in a little bit of flour, so that when I'm molding it, the eggs will not be coming out from the the dough. It's easier. So this is optional. You can just put the egg just like that inside the dough when you are trying to mold. So I added a little bit of pepper to this. This is cayenne pepper. The reason why I'm adding it is that I like eating it. I want something hot. I don't like eating it. Sometimes some people eat egg. After eating egg, I will feel somehow, but nevertheless, this is also optional, but it's worth it. You understand? So now I cut the doughs into pieces. This is optional. You can use your hand to start breaking up the dough. You must not use the something to cut. But if you are going to, like for those who are selling it, they just cut them in bits by bits, and they have particular grams that they use to put the egg, so that some will not be bigger than others. So but this is homemade, so I'm using my hand to just stretch in it, and you can use your hands to stretch in it, and then put the egg inside, and then form a ball. You can as well remove some if you feel it's too much, or you leave it like so. Now you're going to use your hand to roll it as if you are rolling a ball, like you are rolling Nigeria eba. Yeah. So yeah, we are good to go now. And trying to form it like an egg shape if you can. So that's how you'll be doing it for others, all the eggs till you finish forming those egg, round egg. Put them aside, and before you can be able to start putting them in the oil. But if you know that you are not fast, put them aside. If you are fast, just keep bringing them and putting them in the dough and throwing them inside. Now I added a little bit of the flour to see if the oil is warm. So this oil is warm. You can see how it's sizzling and it's ready to go. So I'll add all the egg dough in here, and I'm going to fry for some time, and I keep doing it until I finish adding all the doughs inside. And you want to make sure that the oil that you're going to use will be at least a little bit above the snack that you are going to fry, else the dough would not be nice and you also not like it. So while you are forming those doughs, you can also add a little bit extra of the flour on your hands so that your hands will not stick into the dough. So as you can see now, it's golden brown and it is good to go. You can eat it now. So I'm going to bring it out from the oil and then put them in a sieve. This sieve has a paper towel on it so that all the oils will absorb. Some of the oils, not all the oils, but the oils will absorb into the paper towels. Guys, if you like this my video, please don't forget to subscribe. As like I said earlier on, please click that notification button and comment below. Thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time, see you.